Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia with 14-inch basket filled with Swellwell compost. Swellwell is a wonderful compost. Contains 12 months slow release fertiliser and a wetting agent. We're going to put 3 strawberry plants in. It's a great way to grow strawberries. Keeps them nice and clean. This is a variety, an ever-bearing variety. Flowers and fruits 4 months. It's a variety called Elan, and fragrant and delicious strawberry. You can see one here just starting to make, for some reason, a few flower buds early. Now if you're lucky enough to have a polytunnel or greenhouse, you could put them in your polytunnel or greenhouse for earlier fruit, or hang the basket outside for normal fruiting time. So just going to put 3 in the hanging basket. So we have the first one in, settle them in there. We'll feed them regularly with some Sure Bloom to make sure they fruit very well for us, and it'd be lovely to have strawberries in summer. Now in the web shop we've this hanging basket where we send you out the hanging basket and the 3 strawberries and the compost. If you want, you can just buy the strawberries separately, and the variety is Elan. Ever-bearing variety and an excellent variety to have heavy crops. So as simple as that, 3 strawberries in a hanging basket, lovely clean way to keep them. They spill out of the basket and produce months of fruit for us. And we start to feed them around March, every couple of weeks with some Sure Bloom to make sure we get lots of flowers and lots of fruit. So the variety is Elan. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.